Okay, let's test our skill on recognizing the pulses that would signify involvement of the extraordinary vessels. Okay. Question number 1. Which classical text describes the pulse qualities of the extraordinary vessels?
Letter C, Neijing.
Yeah, Maijing. The other one is, yeah, very good. Number 2, the Maijing was written around what year?
Mhm. Uh, letter B, 82.
Okay.
Or
Wow.
80 or
280 AD. 280 years after Christ. Okay. Who later discussed the extraordinary vessel pulses after the Maijing?
Li Shichen.
Yes. Very famous. Okay. Yun ang gusto may kopya niyan. We have an ebook for that. The ebook written by Li Shichen. Kokonti pa lang yung pulses niya. Answer is C. Li Shichen. Pulse qualities of extraordinary vessels. This is a very silly question. Reflect the pathology of.
Letter D.
Five vessels.
Okay, Diyos ko, nagkamali pa kayo dyan. Okay, next, number 5. The term ton in pulse description is interpreted as.
Wiry.
Yeah, wiry, wiry, wiry. Yes, letter C. Ton is wiry. The character ton is associated with which imagery? So think of something wiry.
D, Botan.
Bow tension. Parang lumalaban siya. Parang not springy, no? Have you, okay, ang hirap niya i-describe. There are pulses talagang umaano, ano ba to? Parang sumisipa. Oh, parang ang bow tension. Number 7, the wiry pulse. Oh, ito na, the description of the wiry pulse.
Jumping.
Jumping. Okay. Sige, tingnan nyo yung mga lalo na yung mga galit dyan. Okay? Jumping yung Number 8. Pulse examination in miting divides each position into how many areas?
3.
Yes, letter B, 3 areas. So per wrist, the total number of pulse areas according to miting is?
6.
Yes. No.
6.
369. Superficial, middle, and deep. Correct answer is letter C. Yeah.
9.
Total.
Superficial mid pulse areas. Tatlo-tatlo. Pero actually dapat 6 lang eh. Ewan ko bakit naging 9. Siguro abnormal yung ano. Okay. Number 10. Pulse areas include 9 nga.
Front, middle, rear.
Yeah. Kasi 'di ba when you feel the pulses, superficial, middle, deep. Pero actually dapat superficial lang ito. Pero dapat kasi ideally sa middle mo lang mararamdaman yung pulse. Okay, correct answer, front, middle, rear. Question 11. Okay. Ano nga ulit yung wiry pulse? Jumping, springing, boasting, or bow tension. So if you have wiry pulse, both front positions, what does that indicate? A pathology of
Yang Chow.
Yang Chow Mai, letter C. Okay, when the Yang Chow Mai is involved, what comes into your mind with
Fried rice.
regards to sleep? Nakakatulog o hindi? Tulog ng tulog o hindi? Hindi, no?
Hindi.
Insomnia, letter C. Okay. Next, Yang Chow pulse Ay, paulit-ulit. Okay. Yang Chow pulse is felt in,
Middle.
huh?
Mid.
Front.
Front. Kanina lang, binaligtad lang. So a Yang Chow pulse is wiry. So it's felt on both left and right front, no? The tune. Yes? Okay. Check your front pulses now. Are they wiry?
No.
Okay, parang wiry yung
Mild.
pag uminom ka pala ng kape.
Yes, Doc, wiry.
Oo nga,
Kakainom lang
so
ng kape.
wiry. Kaiinom ko lang. Okay, anyway. Number 13. Wiry pulse in both middle positions. Middle sa kwan indicates pathology of
Daimai.
Taiman. Okay, may clue ako dito. Isipin mo yung bewang mo. Malaki. Di ba daimai is belt?
Belt.
Girdle channel. No? So, wiry sa middle, think of daimai. Diba? Belt meridian. Very good. Letter A. Next. O, diba? Binabaligtad-baligtad. Daimai pulse is associated with which position?
Middle.
Middle. Okay. Number 15. Of course, tapos na tayo sa front, tapos na tayo sa middle, puro wiry. Punta naman tayo sa wiry sa rear. Okay, check nyo yung mga pulse nyo kung wiry ba sa rear. Wiry pulse in both rear positions, no, the kidney yin and the kidney yang, indicates pathology of
Yin Chow.
yin chow mai. Yin chow pulse is strongest at,
Sure.
yes, letter C. Very good. Ang kulit, no? Which vessel corresponds to rear wiry pulses?
Yin Chow.
Di ba? Imposible naman, hindi pa ito pumasok. Oh, the Taimai is linked with what about the others? No,
Wiry.
with which pulse quality?
Wiry.
Wiry. Which vessel shows pellet-like pulse in the middle? So this is not wiry anymore, but pellet-like. Pellet, parang seeds.
Daimai.
Hmm? Yeah.
Daimai.
So could be pellet-like or wiry. Okay. Which vessels are identified using wiry pulses?
Chow and Dai.
Yes, chow and dye. O sino may mga ano niya, mga wiry. Okay. Punta naman tayo. We're done with wiry. Let's now go to firm. Okay, firm. Matibay, no? Firm pulse across all positions indicates what?
Chong. Chong Mai.
Wow. Chong Mai. Firm is chong. All pulses. Very good. Chong Mai also shows
Firm. Hard and swollen middle.
yeah, this is true. Actually, liver na liver siya. Liver and spleen. Yeah. Chong Mai yan, ha? Chong Mai. What is the opening point of Chong Mai? Make sure your answer is correct. Spleen. Oh, very good. Coupled point.
PC6.
Yeah. Well naman. Okay. Okay, floating pulse. Middle position indicates, remember, hindi siya wiry, ha? Hindi rin siya pellet-like. Ngayon naman, floating siya. Floating sa middle.
Tumay.
Mm,
Let's see.
yes. Tumay.
Dumay.
Tumay. Okay. So, um, na-feel mo may floating pulses sa middle. So, sabi mo nga tumay. So, ano yung points na gagamitin mo?
Uh,
Ano ba yun?
Anong Hello?
SI3
SI3.
And?
and
SI3 and bladder 62.
Wow, ang galing. Okay, what about, okay, ganito. Ngayon, yung pasyente mo, nalito pati ako, wait lang. Okay. Wiry pulse siya sa front pulse. Wiry pulse sa front, left and right.
why repulse the front left and right?
So that means ano ang involved?
Yang Chow.
Ang Chamay. So points.
Hmm,
Opening point is
bladder 62.
okay. So ang kanyang coupled point is
SI3.
yes.
Right.
Ngayon, floating pulse yung nasa middle pulse.
Floating pulse.
Paulit-ulit to para mamaster natin.
Dumay. Wait,
So
Dumay.
points.
Dumay is
SI3.
SI3 bladder 62.
Okay, bakit importante yung yung sequence? Ma'am Elvira. Kung tutuusin, pareho lang silang points, ha? Pero bakit nauna si SI? Ano bang significance nun? Okay, kay Tumay nauna si SI3, opening. Pero si SI3, opening point siya ng Yang Chow Mai, which is wiry sa front. What is the significance? Ano pagkakaiba? So at least dito nakakita nyo, Tumay and parang binaligtad mo lang sila, si Tumay and Yang Chow Mai, no? And the question is, why is SI3 the opening point? Bakit pa kailangan malaman si opening? So, pareho mo bang itutusok sa
Hmm.
Pareho mo itutusok, di ba? But ano difference? Kung male, female, di ba? Okay, kung female, saan mo
Right.
itutusok
Sa right.
si SI3?
Right side.
Yes. Kung male,
Left.
left. Okay. Pellet-like horizontal pulse. Kanina, pellet-like doon kay middle. Ngayon naman, pellet-like horizontal. Horizontal yung pulse. Front
Front.
position.
Ren.
Siya
Ren.
ubos sa seed.
Oo.
Ay,
Siya
wow,
na,
galing.
siya
Ren,
na lang.
siya na lang naiwan. Okay, opening point ni Renmai.
Long 7.
1/7.
Coupled point.
Kidney
Kidney.
6.
Very good. Renmai pulse qualities include
Um, tight, fine, full, long.
yes, fine. Yeah,
Fine, full, long.
tight, fine, full, long. Tight, full,
Fine,
fine, long, full. Okay.
long.
Next,
Long.
Renmai pulse is strongest where? Hello.
Front. Middle. Middle.
Yeah. Ay, ang galing mo naman. Okay. Wait lang ha. Wait lang. May kumakatok. Wait lang po. Okay, the correct answer is letter B. Number 28. Which vessel has floating quality throughout all positions? All positions floating.
Dumay.
Wow, dumay na dumay.
Du-
Parang pagkain, no? 29. Which vessel shows firm pulse everywhere?
Chiang Mai.
Firm pulse. Yeah, okay. Everywhere. Firm siya sa
Everywhere.
lahat.
All
Float
three.
lahat is dumay, no?
Mm-mm.
Firm sa lahat, Chiang Mai. Which vessel shows horizontal pellet-like pulse?
Pellet light. Ren.
Okay, letter A. Oblique pulse from Shaoyin to Taiyang indicates
Yang Wei Mai.
okay.
Yang Wei. Oblique.
Oblique pulse from Shaoyang to Zheyin indicates
Yin.
wow, alam na alam. Siyempre, Yin Wei Ma. Okay, Yang Wei Mai naman, Yang Linking. Yang Wei Mai pulse travels
Mm, medial to lateral.
Yin Wei Mai pulse travels
Lateral to medial.
Yang Wei Mai pulse resembles
Cord.
yes. And number 36, Yin Wei Mai pulse direction is
Is rear lateral to front. Lateral.
rear medial, front lateral. No, rear
No,
lateral.
rear lateral, front medial. So to front
Parang naka-cross. Ay.
lateral.
Wei Mai pulses are characterized mainly by
By direction.
horizontal, no?
Mhm.
Which vessels are identified by directional flow of pulse?
Way. That's
Yang Wei Mai relates to which polarity?
yang.
Yin Wei Mai relates to
Yin.
Then Chinese.
no. Li Shi Chen stated Ren Mai pulse extends
Front to middle.
malakas siya sa middle, no? Yeah, front to middle. Yeah, front to middle. Mas malakas siya sa middle. According to Li Shichen, Dumai pulse is
Is floating
floating
in all.
in all positions. Very good. Chong Mai pulse per Li Shichen is
Firm everywhere.
okay. Chong is firm. Chong firm. Next, Yang Chao Mai pulse is
Pellet shaped.
wiry. Yeah. Tai Mai pulse per Li Shichen
Pellet shaped.
middle. Yin Chow Mai pulse is found in easy
Rear.
here. Yang Wei Mai pulse resembles
Oblique cord.
wow. Memorize.
Natanong na.
Yin Wei
Natanong na
Mai
kasi.
pulse direction is described as
Oblique.
yeah. oblique. The extraordinary vessel pulses differ from main channels because they
because reflect vessel pathology direct.
okay. Kaya it's important to master these pulses, no? Especially when you have complicated cases. The total extraordinary vessels described in pulse diagnosis.
8.
8.
Of course. Congratulations, everyone. I hope you had fun.